All right, let's dive right into this explainer and uncover the step-by-step AI automation workflow steps used to build highly lucrative channels. Today, we're digging into two distinct case studies that completely pull back the curtain on how modern creators are operating entirely behind the scenes. You know, they aren't relying on massive production teams or renting out expensive studio gear anymore. Instead, they are using highly specialized AI automation to generate full documentaries, optimize their packaging, and basically build entirely faceless digital empires from scratch.
To really understand why this matters, get a load of this monthly revenue figure. Over $54,000 in a single month. This number comes straight from our source material, and it represents the income of a completely faceless channel focused on extinct animals. And the craziest part, it was built from zero in less than 2 months. Creators are scaling faster than ever before because they're treating AI as a core production engine, not just some fun novelty. We are literally talking about tens of thousands of dollars being generated by single-person businesses acting like their own media conglomerates.
Now, this is a wild statement. Subscribers actually do not matter at all anymore. It completely shatters our biggest assumption about how this space works, right? We traditionally think of audience building as this grueling, years-long grind to gather a subscriber base. But the sources highlight a huge fundamental shift. Today's algorithms actively push high-value content directly to non-subscribers. If your content is genuinely good and hooks people in, the platform is going to find the audience for you. That completely levels the playing field for new creators.
So this is a repeatable system, and today's blueprint covers 1. The faceless goldmine. 2. Step 1. Research and scripting. 3. Step 2. Generating the visuals. 4. Step 3. Packaging for YouTube. And finally, 5. The monetization strategy.
Section 1. The Faceless Goldmine. Let's look at exactly why AI content is dominating the platform.
Right now, top creators are basically split between two killer tech stacks. Method A pairs Claude AI with Solo AI. This is the route you take if you want granular control, the ability to heavily tweak your scripts, swap out very specific voiceovers, or even generate digital products to sell. Method B, on the other hand, pairs Claude's Fable 5 with Higgsfield MCP. This is for total hands-off automation. We're talking one single prompt that completely handles the script, the editing, the fact-checking, and delivers the final cut.
Moving on to Part 2. Step 1. Research and scripting. Reverse engineering virality. You can't just guess what's going to work. To automate this step, the creators suggest a very specific prompt chain to make sure the AI isn't just spitting out generic facts. First, you feed successful competitor content into the AI to analyze their psychological hooks and pacing. Then, you explicitly ask the AI to dig up obscure, unique details, stuff the general public has definitely never heard of. Finally, you generate a script that bakes those unique facts right into that proven retention structure. It is a highly calculated, data-driven approach to storytelling.
The secret here is so simple but so crucial. The secret isn't copying, it's borrowing the proven format and adding completely unique value. If you just share the exact same stuff as everyone else, the algorithm is going to bury you. You borrow the pacing, the style of the hook, the format, but the actual insights you deliver absolutely must be yours. That is exactly why forcing the AI to dig for obscure historical facts or specialized data is a mandatory part of this workflow.
Next up, Part 3. Step 2. Generating the visuals. This is the massive automation leap.
Just think about the old way of making AI content for a second, which, crazy enough, was literally only like 6 months ago. It meant writing dozens of individual image prompts, waiting for clips to render one by one, and then agonizingly matching them to an audio track on an editing timeline for half a day. The new way? It bypasses the timeline almost entirely. One prompt handles the pacing, visual consistency, and audio mixing all at once, in just minutes.
Take a tool like Higgsfield MCP, for example. It is literally an entire production team in a box. The source material shows how you can take a simple sentence, like make a 5-minute video about Pompeii for a faceless channel, and the engine just interprets it into a fully edited, perfectly paced documentary. It automatically keeps the visual style completely uniform for the entire runtime without you ever needing to step in and fix the lighting or the art direction.
Part 4. Step 3. Packaging for YouTube. It's time to prep your digital storefront.
Once the content is made, we hit the storefront phase. By integrating tools like Solo AI's performance analyzer, creators are relying on AI to completely manage the metadata. It auto-generates multiple thumbnails so the platform can A/B test them in real time. It uses a command line interface for automated uploading. But honestly, the most incredible feature is the diagnostic capability. If a video flops, you just feed the analytics back into the AI, and it gives you a step-by-step checklist explaining exactly why your audience clicked away and how to fix it for next time.
Section 5. The monetization strategy. Let's defeat the demonetization myth once and for all.
There's a super pervasive myth out there that platforms are demonetizing anything made by a machine. YouTube has no problem with AI. It just blocks people who use it to make lazy, low-quality spam. It's that simple. If your workflow actually produces a highly researched, visually stunning narrative, the platform is more than happy to monetize it.
To really maximize that ad revenue, though, the sources recommend targeting niches with the highest RPM. That just means the most actual cash paid out per 1,000 views. Historically, those top spots consistently include finance, tech, and educational content. So if you point your AI automation workflow toward these high-value topics from day one, you're ensuring that every single view you capture is worth significantly more to advertisers.
But wait, it gets better. Beyond standard ad revenue, creators are using AI to instantly build and sell digital products, which can add tens of thousands of dollars to their monthly bottom line. One of the sources shows how AI can autonomously research a product for your specific niche, like a specialized gardening guide or a tech manual, write the entire PDF, and even write the sales page. You just list it on a free platform like Gumroad for 20 to 40 bucks and drop the link in the video description. It turns a standard media channel into a fully automated e-commerce business.
We've rapidly moved from a world where content required immense physical resources to a world where your imagination is literally the only bottleneck. If an entire, highly researched documentary can be generated and packaged in just 15 minutes, what does the future of human creation actually look like? These workflows prove the old barriers to entry are totally gone. The question isn't whether you can make a documentary anymore. The question is, what unique value are you going to tell the AI to build next? Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and keep exploring.